Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Mandy Fields. She is the CFO at E.L.F. Beauty. Mandy, fantastic to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you so much for having me, Judy.
So an exciting day at the New York Stock Exchange. E.L.F. is celebrating its 20th anniversary of founding.
Yes.
And you just rang the opening bell.
Yes, we did.
Talk to me about the excitement.
Oh my gosh, super exciting. I mean, we have taken over the stock exchange this morning. You can go outside, we have a lip oil change that you can get. You can get your coffee. And we got to ring the bell this morning, which was super exciting. We got a lot of our employees here today with us to join in that fun. And so, yeah, super exciting to be here today.
So Mandy, can you elaborate on E.L.F. Beauty's purpose-driven strategy and how the company integrates diversity and inclusion in its core operations?
Yeah, so we champion diversity and inclusion at the highest levels of power. So I'm going to start with our board of directors. We are one of 4 out of 4,200 publicly traded companies that has a board that's at least 2/3 women and 1/3 diverse, which is really incredible. And you saw some of them, those members here with us today, which is very fun to have them with us. And then within the walls of E.L.F. Beauty, we feel it's very important that our employee base reflects the community that we serve. And so we have over 70% women, over 40% diverse, and over 65% Gen Z or millennial are our employee base. So very much reflecting that community that we serve every day with our products, with our marketing, everything. It's tied into everything. Our mission is to bring the best of beauty to every eye, lip, and face, which is super important. When you talk about inclusivity, we actually live that out every single day.
Now, how have increased investments in marketing, digital platforms, and company culture contributed to E.L.F. Beauty's recent successes?
Well, those investments have been very much influential in our success over these last few years. I'll start with marketing and digital. If you go back 5 or 6 years ago, we were only investing about 7% of our net sales behind marketing and digital. You look at us today, we're investing about 24%. And we've gradually stepped that up over time, and that has really been driven by the ROIs we're seeing on that spend. They've been multiples beyond what the category typically delivers, and so we continue to invest behind marketing and digital. And how you see that show up? You see that show up in really fun things like that lip oil change I talked about outside the stock exchange this morning. We've done collaborations with Chipotle, with Dunkin' Donuts. We had Jennifer Coolidge in our Big Game ad last year. We had the cast of Suits and Judge Judy this year in our Big Game ad. Had over 95 billion impressions, by the way. And we've just done some tremendous things. Keeps us close with our community. We've gone into gaming. We really listen to our community and where they want us to be. And so marketing has been very influential. And then the investments in our team have been just as important. We have a one team, one dream approach when we talk about our team. And everyone in the company, short term, is bonus off the same number. It keeps it very simple. That's our adjusted EBITDA. And then on the long term, we believe we're one of very few consumer companies that gives equity to every single employee. That keeps us all aligned with our shareholders for the long term as well.
All right, and finally, tell me, what strategic initiatives that have been most effective in allowing E.L.F. Beauty to capture new market share and explore untapped opportunities within the industry?
Well, it's really the combination of our value proposition, which we are on average $6. So very much an accessible price point. That's very important to us, combined with the innovation that we've been able to bring to market. We have a holy grail strategy that we are known for, and you have some of the items here today, our Power Grip Primer, our Halo Glow Liquid Filter. These items have holy grail status, which means that people are clamoring for them. They go viral. They are some of our most successful items. And what we've done is really build around these items. So as we launch an item in our Holy Grail strategy, we then launch the items around it. That whole franchise starts to grow. And so we are very proud of that. That has enabled us to not only penetrate Gen Z, where we have a strong following, but also bring in new cohorts in Gen X, millennials, and we've been very successful in that. So between our value proposition, the innovation that we're able to launch, and then how we communicate with our community through marketing and digital, that has allowed us to bring in new customers and new members into our community.
All right, well, Mandy, fantastic to talk with you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you so much, Judy. It's been a pleasure.
Wonderful to talk with you. Thank you.
Thank you.